Most of the time, I learn about technology as something abstract, algorithms, systems, code. But I wanted to understand something I rarely see in the textbooks. Where does technology actually come from in the real world? That question brought me here. Today, I visited the Huaqiangbei Museum. It is not a museum of objects, but a museum of transformation. What used to be farmland became factories, then industrial zones, and eventually a dense network of electronics markets and entrepreneurs. The museum exists to preserve something that usually disappears in fast-growing cities, the process of change itself. Not just what Huaqiangbei is today, but how it became this way. Many of the early businesses here did not begin with capital or infrastructure. Some started with just a small counter, sometimes barely 1 meter wide. What the museum shows is not success at scale, but the starting point of risk. The innovation here is visible, physical, and extremely fast. Components move from design to prototype to mass production in extremely short cycles. Huaqiangbei became an environment where hardware innovation is not centralized, but distributed across thousands of small actors. In a way, it resembles a real-time experimentation system for electronics. Over the past 40 years, Huaqiangbei evolved alongside Shenzhen itself, from a regional experiment into a global technology hub. What the museum highlights is not just economic growth, but structural change, how a location can become part of global supply chains. We usually experience technology as finished products, phones, laptops, devices. But here you can see the layers underneath them. You begin to understand that every device is not a single invention, but the result of an entire ecosystem of coordination. Technology becomes visible as a system, not just a product. And for me, it changed the way I think about technology, not as a product of design, but as a result of emergence.